Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So today we have a job update that is Aspire Systems of Campus Drive. So Aspire Systems, it is hiring for 2020 as well as 2019 batch. So we shall quickly see, and all the process will be conducted virtually itself. So we shall quickly see what are the various eligibility criteria and what are the various rounds. So the first thing is the eligibility criteria. So the first thing is the job role. So the job role is an Oracle retail, and experience needed is they are basically hiring for freshers, and the qualification needed is BE or BTech. And the batch is they are looking for 2019 as well as 2020 pass out students, and the job location is Hyderabad, and the venue location is virtual. So all the process will be conducted virtually itself. It can be written test or interviews, anything. So everything will be conducted virtually itself. And there is a service agreement of 3 years. So you need to sign an agreement for 3 years. So we shall quickly see what are the salary details. You can say like the salary is really good for freshers. So the first thing is you will be having a training duration for 3 months, and the salary during the initial training it is rupees 15,000 per month. So they are giving 15,000 per month. This will be the amount which will be paid during the training for 3 months. And then after that the salary point it is 2.85 lakhs per annum plus 15,000 joining bonus. So this will be the salary whenever you join the company, that is for a fresher. So starting it will be 2.8 lakhs per annum plus 15,000 will be the joining bonus. And next thing is that the 6 months. So after 6 months it will be 3,12,000. So then after that 12 months again there is a hike in the salary which will be around 3,84,000. Then after 18 months it will be 4 lakh, and similarly after 24 months it will be 5 lakh. So after 30 months you can say it will be 5 lakh itself. So you can say there is an increase in the salary, and it is really a good salary for freshers. So then there are interview process. There are just 3 rounds. The first thing is online aptitude test. So it will be simple. So there are just 3 rounds and you can easily attempt the test. And next thing is that there will be technical interviews. So once you clear the online test, there will be technical interviews, and those technical interviews will be conducted over the Zoom. And next thing is once you clear the technical interviews, there will be HR interviews, or you can say there will be basic interview. So it is really a good opportunity for fresher, and in fact the salary is also good. There is a hike in the salary, and also the job role is Oracle. It is Oracle retail, so it is really good for freshers. So and then I shall provide the link in the description box. You can check that and you can apply for the same. And the application link, you can say like it is a simple document. You can it is a document file where you just click on the link, and you will have a document. You need to fill all your details. So just you can fill the education details, everything, your name, and then basic details, and then you need to upload the resume. So just upload the updated resume. So once you are done with everything, you can submit the form, and within few days you will get the test link to write the test. So then thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.